Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look of the Axxbiz USB to Type-C cable. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a USB charging or data sync cable, and it's a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, or as I like to call it, USB Type-C to Type-A cable, which is the other way around. And that's the cable right there in the package. And on the back side of the package, some information. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the packet up. So this is the USB data sync or charging cable, Type-C to Type-A. So it's useful for your new MacBooks or Chromebook Pixel. And of course, for new mobile devices as well. So that's the Type-C connector right there. And it is reversible. So you can never go wrong whichever way you insert it into the USB port or socket. And of course, this is the Type-A side, which is the standard USB plug. Okay, so let's go ahead and undo this cable tie, and I can show you the cable length. So that's the cable length right there, pretty long as you can see. So that's the whole cable in the frame. And I'll show you the two USB connectors side by side. So that's the Axxbiz USB to Type-C cable. Thanks for watching and happy connecting!